Starting a project is difficult. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how Microsoft Copilot can build your entire templates in seconds so you can skip the setup and get straight to work. Instead of staring at a blank page, ask Microsoft Copilot to help you get started by creating a basic template. In this example, I need a template for a science project checklist about weather patterns. I want the template to include placeholders and a material list, as well as a short and medium version. And again, in just a few seconds, I have both versions complete with the exact details that I asked for. Now from here, I can actually edit it in a page view and make any changes or adjustments before I export it into a Word document. And since Microsoft Copilot is connected to the Office 365 suite, it's very good at creating Excel worksheets. So in this example, I'm going to ask Copilot to develop a general budget template for my first house and include income, expenses, percentages, and formulas formatted for an Excel spreadsheet. Once it's complete, you can see it has everything that I've asked it for, including the formulas. Once it's done generating the prompt, click the Start button and then the Open button to watch it begin the work. Once it's complete, you can click the Share button or download it into an Excel format. Once you download it, your Excel worksheet is ready to be used. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And also check out this playlist on more Copilot tips.